Oscar, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Just wanted to get you on, kind of give you an introduction to the broadband world, if you will. So tell me what brought you here. You've been with OFS for how long?
Well, working with OFS directly is four years now.
4 years?
I was working on the IT part of making the
yeah.
fiber, actually.
Working on IT?
Yes.
Yep.
Working on the companies that actually make the fiber itself.
So now you're a sales manager for Fusion Splicers.
Yes,
How did this come about? Did you get thrown into it or did you want to do it?
Well, I used to do sales for another kind of industry, and they like me. I working with them. I like to talk to people. I got in front of everybody, just helping, and they were happy with my work. And they say, you know what, we need somebody to talk to our customers and have knowledge about technology too. They want somebody who knows the machines itself, like a technical salesperson, and I got the opportunity to come to the sales part.
Oh, well, that's awesome. We just wanted to welcome you aboard. We've worked with Fitel for many years, and it's great to have a new face and somebody that we know we can count on.
Yes, that's basically what I'm come here. I meeting the team. It's amazing how they push the brand and how they like it, and it's happy to know that I have a team back in this area.
Yeah, you've got our support for sure. We've got some great local distributors that really support Fitel. You've done a great job, supporting those relationships as well. Over the years, I think we've seen sales grow, and really, it's just because of those relationships. And so we're glad to have you here, introduce you to some of those folks as well. And I know you got a great mentor in Tom Stafford, so I'm sure he's helping you on some of the technical stuff.
Of course, yeah. He's pushing me all the time to you have to teach this kind of things to our customers, so they don't call me that much, so they know what to do on the field. But it's amazing. It's amazing. It's really nice to be again on the sales part, just trying to do better for the company, for everybody, actually.
So we're here at the MAT show. Is this your first trade show?
It is my second. I was in Atlanta 2 weeks ago.
SCTE?
Yes, it was kind of different because everybody was trying just to get out of there for the hurricane. It was a bad weather week, so everybody was just like really fast doing. But here it is different. It is different here. It is kind of
more of a regional show here in the Midwest.
More regional.
Yeah, maybe not as well attended as a big national show like SCTE, but it's one of the better shows that we have in our industry here in the Midwest.
I will say I enjoy more this one than the other one.
Oh, really?
It is. I mean, it was a kind of a different experience, but I love it. I mean, it's a lot of industries that I didn't know that they exist and what they were doing, and it is just a lot of the learning curve for my knowledge has been like incredible.
You feel like you're drinking from a fire hose a little bit?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
It's just a lot to get.
It's great for us because we have so many customers here, and it really showcases those relationships, and we really look forward to having you as part of those relationships as well. And don't be a stranger. Don't feel like you have to stay back in Georgia. Come out and travel with us, and we're happy to help you learn as well too. That's part of our role. What's been your experience working with reps in the past? Have you ever dealt with a manufacturer and a rep relationship?
Well, I used to do the sales for money transfer companies.
Okay.
So the corridors, and it was more like direct sales to the people who own the stores and everything, small stores.
Okay.
But at the same time, you have to get the huge stores as well. Like, let's say if you have like a Kroger or you have things like that you know that they will bring, we will have to call somebody else to do the kind of things. Mine was more like going into the end user, and talking about our goods, so they can get our service. But like I say, it's a totally different
for you.
Yes, of course, it's completely different.
Yeah.
But this is more like a technology-wise. It's different kind of sales. Completely.
Yeah. What's been your biggest challenge so far, transitioning from your IT position back into sales?
Right now, the biggest thing for me right now is keeping all the names and areas. I mean, just today I have like 100 names linked to a different area, like Arkansas or they. So it's hard for me to keep track of those. But and other than that is all the reference of every single fiber and every single different kind of cabling and ways to connect it and to put it in the ground. And if it's from the street to the house, is different than if it's going from the street to the main line and everything. So it's completely new. Too many numbers to go in, but I'm getting there.
Yeah.
I'm getting there, and I will get there.
What's one thing that we can do to help you?
Talk to me, letting me know what you need.
Yeah.
I don't know exactly what I can and what I cannot do, but I will push it. I've been talking to Mike Taylor.
It's easier to ask forgiveness than it is permission.
Okay. Okay, I know. Okay, yes, but I'm actually calling my Tom Stafford all the time and John Baker, which is the sales on the east side.
Yeah.
And asking questions about how can I help? What can I do?
Yeah. So you've obviously real fresh into it, still trying to figure out your role, kind of your boundaries a little bit, but we're super happy. We're thrilled that you're on board. We look forward to a long relationship, with you. We're on your team. We're here to help. Whatever you need, we've got your back.
And I really want to say that in the near future, if you ever need something, I was talking to Jordan as well and everybody, like, just call me directly and let me know what you need, and I'll do my best to get it.
Yeah.
Promise.
Awesome. Well, you're in good hands. Welcome aboard, and it's great to have you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.